Good morning. We are going to discuss about congestion avoidance mechanism, one of the method called as DECBIT. The first mechanism was developed for use on digital network architecture, a connectionless network with a connection-oriented transport protocol. This mechanism could therefore also be applied to TCP and IP also. The idea here is to more evenly split the responsibility for congestion control between the routers and the end nodes. In this method, each router monitors the load it is experiencing and explicitly notifies the end nodes when congestion is about to occur. This notification is implemented by setting a binary congestion bit in the packets that flow through the router. That is why the name is given as DEC bit. One particular bit is set to implement about the congestion. The destination host copies this congestion bit into the acknowledgement and it sends back to the source. So the source knows that congestion is occurring. Finally, the source adjusts its sending rate so as to avoid congestion. A single congestion bit is added to packet header. A router sets this bit in a packet if its average queue length is greater than or equal to 1 at the time the packet arrives. This average queue length is measured over a time interval that spans the last busy plus ideal cycle plus the current busy cycle. Using a queue length of 1 as the trigger for setting the congestion bit is a trade-off between significant queuing and increased ideal time. In other words, a queue length of 1 seems to optimize the power function. The source records how many of its packets resulted in some router setting the congestion bit. In particular, the source maintains a congestion window just as in TCP and watches to see what fraction of last window's worth of packets resulted in the bit being set. The last 2 points are very important. If less than 50% of the packets had the bit set, then the source increases its congestion window by 1 packet. That means it is trying to increase the number of packets. The second case, if 50% or more of the last window's worth of packets had the congestion bit set, then the source decreases its congestion window to 0.875 times the previous value. So the conclusion is, if less than 50% of the packets had the bit set, it means that it can send more packets. There is no congestion. If more than 50% of the packets are having congestion bit set, that means congestion is going to occur. So to avoid this, the source decreases its congestion window to 0.875 times the previous value. So in this way, the congestion is avoided in the network. Thank you.